This is a Kenmore 90 Plus series dryer. It's in a rental property, or was till I brought it out for cleaning, but when I opened it up, took the clothes out, they were still damp. Then I noticed that the little filter insert here, which I had asked them to keep clean, was about, I don't know, 85% clogged up. So that needs to be cleaned. This needs to be cleaned each and every load of laundry. Then, now, additionally, I took the top of this off, and it'll just kind of, there's some screws in the back, and you can get it to slide forward, the whole thing with the control panel and all, and it'll tilt over and come to rest right down here on the side. There's a little bundle of wiring right here that you got to watch out for, but go ahead and do your best to clean up all of the top of the drum, and then there's a panel that's accessible in the front here. You may be able to even do this without taking the dryer out of its place, but you'll have to punch a screwdriver up in here to get this to the press, kind of a spring steel. And then there's another one on the other side over here that you'll have to do. Once you get this little access panel open, you go ahead and take your vacuum and just get in there, and with a good light, get in there and clean up. This thing was about 100% dirtier than what it is right now, but I can still see more I need to get. I'm going to get my vacuum wand and get up in there real good. Now the other thing is, this is the blower wheel right here. And so you could take this screw off up here, and then there's another screw over here that will let you access this. And then there's a little springy thing right down here. And that springy thing is just kind of holding the edge of this sheet metal. It's just kind of a clip, and so you need to press that down to get this to slide out. It'll slide across the face of this. This will go, that little spring steel will go in behind this unit here, and then this whole thing will slide out and expose that little filter screen, in addition to that flywheel, which is considerably dirty. In my case, it was about 80% clogged up. There was, I don't know, so much trash that it was all just built up all in this area here. So I got that mostly all cleaned out. I'm going to go ahead and hit it a little bit more and then get this back in the unit and get it to running. It already was running. I tested it. The air would get warm, but it just was not blowing cool air or hot air like it should. Additionally, you want to take off the vent hose, and in this case it had significant buildup of lint, and I went ahead and just took the water hose and the super power blaster and just hosed it out really good, got it clean. Now another thing you want to make sure is really clean is where the vent hose exits the wall, and you want to check those vents and make sure that they're all movable, flapping, because if that gets clogged up and those are stopped up, it'll just prevent the air from flowing and drying the clothes as well. So be sure that your vent is unobstructed.